Alright guys, today we are going to work with the Yangan 750 Yamaha, although there is no Yangans, there is only me, old fart. So what we are doing today is a bit of head work with this one. I checked all the valves with water and pressurized air, and all the exhaust valves were leaking, so I have took them off, and I'm planning to lap them. But first I noticed that there is huge sharp edges in the intake channels, so I made just a little smooth out to them, and that's basically the episode this time. So I hope you enjoy it. Hope you stick around for the end of the video, as I will be showing some bits that have my CP has received. But first let's see how the cylinder head job went. I hope you enjoy.
Well, he almost got rid of me. But not quite. He forget to tell that today we start with some head cleanup, and then he makes new thread for spark plug in cylinder number 2. And also for cylinder number 3. After that, some valve testing to see that exhaust valves were leaking. And one more thing is removing the valves with not so professional tools. Hold on. He is going to explain the tool later. If you don't understand, just ask for me.
So first things first, we are going to hammer down just like that. Oh, there is one. Oh crap. Then we put ice hockey puck under, wiring grommet to the valve, and then this high-tech piece over the spring, and then we apply pressure. One, two. This is very safe. Right. Three to go. Using zip ties to keep these together, and then I'm going to mark them so that I know which one is from which cylinder. I was looking at these channels, and there is quite a lot of unevenness and rough spots and all kind of edges around these channels. So I decided that before I'm lapping the valves, I will smooth these out, and hopefully they will flow a little better after that. Let's see. I finished up the porting, and this is what it looks now. So there was quite sharp edge over there, as well as on the other side, and then there was just behind the seat was a deep hole that I didn't got all the way out. I was a little afraid to take material off so that I don't mess up these channels totally. And this is how they look on the other side. Here was a big machining edge that I smoothed out. One thing I realized that afterwards was that it seems like these intake manifolds are way smaller, or not way, but one thing I realized afterwards is that these intakes are smaller than the board itself. So I just think that has this head been used in bigger engines also, and could I upgrade my intake booth and maybe carburetors also to bigger ones, or are these from smaller engine? Let me know in the comments if you have any information about that one. So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed, and comment below what do you think about this new way of doing episodes. Oh, don't go yet, there is this CP parts reveal next. Here is the parts that I promised to show you. Rear sprocket, brake caliper and bracket, switches to the handlebar. This is too big, too bad, it was quite expensive. This looks okay. Then I have these basic levers for the stop and go. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed and subscribe the channel. See you later.